Hey there, Angel from Resolve here. And in this video series, I'm going to be showing you how to integrate VR into your existing building review workflows with minimal effort and maximum results. If you're new to Resolve, let me give you a quick summary. Resolve is the best tool for reviewing large, complex building facilities in virtual reality. We've built powerful tech that can open the world's largest building models on wireless VR devices. No PC required. This video will show you how to take a large Navisworks model, bring it into VR, and then how to export any issues that you find in VR into your Revizto issue tracking workflow. As an example, I'll be using this Navisworks model of a robot manufacturing facility. It's a very good example of the types of models that Resolve can handle without a hitch. It has a lot of dense vendor models that have been federated into Navis. With Resolve, getting the model into VR is easy. Resolve will automatically pull the latest version from Autodesk Construction Cloud or BIM 360 Docs. Now for the fun part. I'm going to be opening the model in VR on my Quest Pro using the Resolve app that's on the Quest Store. I'll leave the link to get the app in the description. Resolve works on the Quest Pro or the Quest 2. Let's jump in. Now I'm in Resolve as my virtual avatar and an immersive version of the model. Our customers are reviewing everything from coordination issues to health and safety and operations issues that you don't want to be finding late in the construction process. This is a great example. This robot arm could suddenly swing and seriously injure somebody who's standing where I am. In VR, we can role play and simulate procedures as somebody out on the factory floor so that we can identify risks like this as early as possible. Now, using Resolve's speech-to-text functionality, I can leave an annotation to make sure that this issue gets taken care of. This is a safety hazard. If this robot arm swings, somebody could get hurt. Now that I've made my speech-to-text annotation, this will persist in Resolve even as the model gets updated. From the Resolve web dashboard, I can see all my projects and their annotations. I'm going to click on the Robot Factory Navisworks file and the annotations. From here, I can export my annotations to various formats. One of those formats is a BCF, which is an open standard for interoperability of data like these annotations so that third-party tools can all talk to each other and make your workflows as seamless as possible. Now I'm going to open up Revizto. You can see that I've opened the Navisworks Robot Factory in here. At the top, I will go to Issue Tracker, and then I will click the three dots on the top right and click Import Issues. This will allow me to select the BCF file that I exported from Resolve with all the annotations that I made in virtual reality. Now that I've selected the file, you can see that Revizto has imported all the annotations that I made in VR. If I click one of them, it will take me to the same exact view that I was in virtual reality, but now in Revizto. Now that it's in Revizto, we can have conversations here about the resolution to this issue or follow-up questions and use Revizto's more advanced issue tracking tools to make sure that any items that get flagged in VR get resolved. One cool feature about Revizto and the workflow with Resolve is if I make new annotations or I edit the text of certain annotations, I can come back in here, click Update BCF. That will allow me to import an updated version of the BCF and then update all of the comments accordingly. With a workflow like this, I can now have reviews in virtual reality and perhaps engage other people who might not be familiar with BIM tools, have them leave comments, and then bring them into Revizto, where I can then assign them to people who can use Revizto and the issue tracking workflow we already have established to answer these questions. We have customers who are already using this workflow on their projects to maximize the ROI of VR and get the most out of both Resolve and Revizto. I know that Revizto has some VR functionality, but where this workflow takes it a step further is it allows you to review the large models that you're coordinating in Revizto on a wireless VR headset like the Quest 2 or the Quest Pro using the Resolve app. The Resolve team has helped some of the world's largest companies integrate VR into their current review processes, and we're experts on these workflows. We're happy to provide some advice on how you can do this on your project. If you're an existing Resolve user, just reach out to us. And if you're not, click the link below or in the description so you can upload your own model into VR with Resolve, and then our team will be happy to guide you through these workflows. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or want to see workflows that we haven't yet covered, comment below.